So glad you've been able to join in today for our green pepper sauce recipe. Yay, everybody loves green pepper sauce. Hot and spicy. Mwah. If you're new to the channel, you're so much welcome. If you're joining in again, we're so glad you did today. We're hoping you love what you see here. We're hoping you learn a lot. We're hoping you give it a try. We're hoping when you're done, you subscribe, you like, you share, and you leave a comment. Most importantly, do try this recipe out and do give us a feedback as to how it went. When it comes to cooking, a sauce is basically any liquid, a cream, or a semi-solid food which is usually served or prepared together with other food. And sauces take after the ingredients, or sometimes their color, or what's going into it. So for the green pepper sauce, it's taken after the color of the sauce. For our ingredients, we're going to need our fresh green pepper, what we call kpakpo shito here. You can use your fresh unripe habaneros. When habaneros are ripe, they are very green. When they ripe, they become red or orange or together color. And we need onions. You can do your green pepper sauce with just the green pepper and the onions. Those are the most basic ingredients. But you can also add on more greens like your spring onion as well as your green pepper. But for this particular recipe, we used the habanero pepper, we used the ginger, we used garlic, we used onion, we used spring onion together with it, and some local spices and some salt to taste. The pepper is to your taste, so you choose how hot you'd want it. The more the pepper, the more hot it will be. You start off your pepper sauce by blending all your ingredients together. You try not to use so much water, and you can blend it to be so fine, or you can make it a bit coarse. You have another option to just cut your vegetables and then use to have more texture. Just cut your veggies and use. So you heat your pan, pour in your oil, then you pour in your mixture, allow it to cook, the moisture to calm down a bit. I recommend you use less oil at start. These days we don't want to eat so much oil. So when it goes down and it drains a bit, then you add in your local spices and your salt. Then you realize the oil will be a bit less, so you add in a bit more extra oil. Then you mix it up. Then allow it to cook. Your green pepper sauce, if you want to preserve and keep it for long, it should be well dried. It shouldn't have so much moisture in. So when it's well cooked, you realize the bubbles are not big. They're very small bubbles. You realize the water in will be less and it's going to be dried. It may not look so green at start, but then once it cools down, you see the color come beautifully, and you can preserve or store it in your jars, your mason jar. You can do it in a container with a nice lid, or in your microwave bowls, and you can keep it in your fridge for about a week or two. If you want to keep it more fresh, you can equally put it in your freezer to last longer, or you can just have it in your jar and put it down. So you can enjoy your green pepper sauce with your fries, with your cooked carbohydrates. You can enjoy it with your cooked protein. You can enjoy it with your grills. Yes, I personally use my green pepper sauce to even steam my chicken on my busy days. So it's very healthy and it's very nutritious. The health benefits of pepper is that it aids in digestion. It's also healthy for our guts. It's also rich in iron, boosts our immune system. It's good for chronic diseases, and it has its own nutrients it comes with. The garlic we added in, we realized that garlic relieves stress and fatigue. It cures respiratory issues or problems. It's also anti-inflammatory, assists in detoxification. When it comes to onions, we know onions are good for our respiratory health. Onions are good for oral health. Onions are good for the hair, the eye, checking your sugar level, your brain health, and also inflammatory and other allergies. When it comes to ginger, ginger is also very healthy and is good for fortification. They help with flatulence, they increase sweating, they ease period cramps for our ladies, and they also prevent cancer, reduce nausea, increase sexual activity, treats diarrhea, and they have quite a number of health benefits. If you did enjoy this green pepper sauce recipe, please do well to check the other videos we've loaded. Do well to hit the notification button to get alerts to whatever we put there on time. And we're hoping you live life to the fullest, you live healthy, you enjoy life, and most importantly, you join us, make every food moment count. Lots of love for my team and I. Mwah.